Welcome to today's math review. Welcome to today's math review. We have 4 problems that we are going to solve today, and we're also going to use as practice to get comfortable with the Edpuzzle. So problem 1 is New York City uses about 1,300,000,000 gallons of water each day. Use digits to write that number. So now on Edpuzzle, you guys are going to be paused and put in your answer. Great. Moving on to problem 2. Jill is on page 42 of a 180-page book. If she must finish the book in 3 days, then she needs to read an average of how many pages each day? This is a multi-step word problem. Make sure you're reading it carefully. Problem 3. Carol cut 2.5 inches off her hair 3 times last year. If she had not cut her hair, how much longer would it have been at the end of the year? And then problem 4, 1/2 of the area of the square is shaded. What is the area of the shaded region?